Hello friends, in this part, how to display session user profile image and also make search users. So first go to the text editor. Now go to the file messenger.js. Now using tag, now write fetch profile image. Now using function, write function and then fetch underscore profile underscore image, open and close bracket, after that open and close lower bracket, and then same copy fetch profile image, paste above that, close with semicolon, and also when success data upload profile image and remove the alert and paste it fetch profile image inside the success function, and then copy the AJAX request and paste inside the function fetch profile image. Now remove the content type, cache and processed data. Also remove the fetch profile image inside success function data. Now write variable action equal to inside single quote, write variable name, that is fetch profile image, close with semicolon. Here that is sending data is action, and then send to the server fetch profile image, here that is URL is action messenger.php, method is post method, and go to the action messenger.php. Here that is write tag fetch profile image, fetch profile image. Here if function inside bracket write is set, again inside bracket write $_ post, that is post method, inside square bracket within single quotes write fetch profile image, copy and paste inside single quote. Here that is method is post, and then copy the user ID, here that is session user ID, now write SQL query, SQL equal to within double quotes, close with semicolon, go to the PHP myadmin, copy, select from user and paste inside the double quote. Here that is select from the user where here user ID equal to session user ID. User ID equal to copy the user ID, paste inside single quote. Then connect to the server, that is MySQL query $result equal to MySQL query inside bracket, that is using two parameters $connection comma $SQL query, close with semicolon. Here that is fetch the profile image using while loop function. Here that is inside bracket $row equal to MySQL fetch association, MySQL fetch association inside bracket, copy $result, paste inside it, and then here that is fetch the data from database, that is PHP MySQL database. Here user image equal to $row inside square bracket inside single quote, write same that user image, that is same is PHP MySQL database. Next, using if-else function, here that is inside bracket, right, $user image equal to null, here that is if-else function, that is inside if function $_image equal to inside quote, close with semicolon. And then after the if-else function, write echo single quote, close with semicolon. Here echo means that is display output on the browser. Here go to the home.php file, copy the class name of messenger name image, that is div, cut the and paste inside single quotes, that is echo single quotes. Now cut the image tag and paste inside the if function, that is here first write single quotes, first remove the alt, now write single quotes, paste image tag inside paste inside the single quote. Here that is when user is equal to null, it display the profile image icon, else it is success, it is display the user profile image. So here source equal to inside double quote, again write single quote, inside double dot, paste inside user image, and then user image display inside the div. Class is messenger name image using single quotes. After that double dot, inside paste $user underscore image, and the fetch profile image from the database, and then AJAX request is success, and they display the inside the div, that is class name messenger top name image. Now here write success function data using $sign inside bracket single quote dot messenger top name image class name and dot html data, and then close with semicolon. Here that is AJAX request is success, and then profile image display output. Now go to the home.php file, save the file, and then refresh the browser. Save it, and again refresh the browser. Here that is profile image source looking at square type, so make it is round shape. Go to the messenger.css file, inside messenger name image, here border radius 50%, and then overflow hidden, and then save it, and then go to the browser, refresh it, and then profile image display round shape, and then profile image click, select any one image, and then automatically shows profile image without any refresh the browser. So now it is working. Now go to the home.php file. Now copy the messenger user search container, copy and paste below that. Now refresh the browser, it shows one more messenger user search container. Here that is just changes class names. Now design, and this search field search the user, and then display the search users. Here that is just changes the class name. Just remove the search. Here first class name is messenger serve user container, then messenger serve user icon, then changes messenger serve user image, and also messenger serve username. And class name messenger serve username inside, and delete the messenger user last seen. Remove all things, all the div. Now design the search user container, messenger search user container. Go to the messenger.css file. Here that is after the messenger user search container. Here just copy the same design and paste below that. Now just changes the class name. Here that is class name is messenger search user container. Just paste search. Here that is everything is same, only changes class names. Here that is refresh the browser, save the file, home.php, and then refresh the browser. Here profile image and username. Now go to the CSS file, just changes in the container, messenger search user container. Here that is height is, make it is 40 px, and also messenger search user image width 30 px, height also 30 px, and then go to the home.php, save it and go to the browser, refresh the browser, and then browser shows profile image and username. Reduce the height. Now inside the messenger search user container, here that is write display none, refresh the browser, and the messenger search user container is hide. Now go to the messenger.js file, just tag write fetch search users. Now copy the Now here how to make hide and show search user. Now just copy the document change profile image function, paste after the tag fetch search user, and then close with semicolon. Now go to the home.php file. Here write input field, id name is id equal to, inside double quote write search user, and then copy the id search user and paste inside the document. Here that is just changes $document on focus comma hash search user. Now inside dollar, inside bracket, inside double quote, single quote, dot messenger user search container dot hide, close with semicolon, and same copy and changes the class name. Here there is class name messenger search user container, dot show. Here there is input field is click, and chat user hide, and then search user show. Refresh the browser, and cursor click to the search input field. Here that is search user shows, chat user hide. Now just design the messenger search user container. Here that is copy and paste below that, and then changes class name messenger user inside, close with div tag, now design the messenger search user inside, go to the messengers.css file, inside flower bracket copy all the design of messenger search user container. Here remove the margin top, display none, and then here also messenger search user container, changes width is 100%, margin top 15px, display none, height 40px. Now save and refresh the browser. Now focus the input field. Here that is search user show, chat user hide. Now copy the same focus as search user, paste below that. Here changes document dot on blur, id is search user. Here that is changes chat user show, and then search user hide. Here input field is clicked and just remove the input field and then the search user hide, and then same copy paste below that, copy and same paste below that, and then here document dot on key up here ID is search user, when input field is clicked and the function is key up. Now write variable search user, variable search user equal to dollar inside bracket, inside single quotes, right, ID search user as search user dot value, open and close bracket, close with semicolon. Here that is if function, if inside bracket write search user not equal to null, null means single quotes, else. Here inside if function, here that is search user not null, here messenger user search container hide, and then messenger search user container show, that is chat user hide and then search user show, and else that is reverse. And save the file and then refresh the browser. Now type the any text, here that is search user show, chat user hide. Now copy the fetch profile image function, paste below the key up function. Here just changes the fetch underscore search underscore user. Now changes the function fetch search user and also variable action equal to fetch search user. Here that is AJAX request data fetch search user, that is sending data. Now here fetch search user paste inside if function, that is user not equal to null. Here that is variable search user paste inside fetch search user. Here that is values sent to the AJAX request using post method. Here that is search underscore user. Now go to the xn messenger.php file. Here copy the Here copy the fetch profile image up to if-else function. Copy and paste below the fetch user image. Close with to flower bucket. Now change the tag name, that is fetch search user. Here that is go to the messenger.js. Here sending data. Section is fetch search user and paste inside the single quotes. Here if is set $post fetch search user, and then search the user using username. Write $username equal to MySQL underscore real underscore escape underscore string inside bracket having two parameters, that is $connection comma searching the search user's name. Here that is sending user, that is search user using post method, and then change as SQL query. Here that is select from users where searching the user. Here PHP admin, that is name is username. Here where username equal to inside single quotes, inside 2%, and then inside double quotes using to concatenate and paste $username. Sorry, here not equal to, that is username like username, and then after that AND function, that is AND. Here that is AND means two values true. Here that is username and user ID is true, so that is user ID not equal to user ID. Here user ID is not equal to session user ID. And then fetch the user data from the database. Here fetch user image and also username. $user underscore name equal to $row username. Here after if-else function, write echo single quote close with semicolon, go to the home.php file. Here that is cut the messenger search user inside and all the values, all the class names also. Cut the messenger search user inside and paste inside the single quotes of echo go to the xn messenger.php, paste inside single quote. Here echo means that is display the output. To the browser, here that is user image not equal to null. It display the profile image icon, else display the user image inside the messenger search user image, the class name of messenger search user image, and also display the username inside the bold tag using single quotes inside concatenate, that is paste $user name. Here that is AJAX request is success, and display the user profile image and name inside the messenger search user container. Here success data display the messenger search user container, and go to the home.php file, save that and refresh the browser. When search field is click, sorry I forgot that xn messenger.php. Here that is username close with semicolon, and go to the home.php file, save that again and refresh the browser. When search field is clicked, it show the search users show, and then hide the chat users. Here now displaying the username. In database, that is username. Here that is remove the underscore, only username. Save it and refresh the browser, and search field is clicked, it show the profile image and username. Now go to the messenger.css. Here that is inside messenger search user container, margin bottom 10px, save it and refresh the browser. Just changes. Go to the messenger.css file, remove the height and also margin bottom, and then paste margin bottom. Here changes margin top 15px, save it and refresh the browser. When search field is clicked, here shows search users exact height, and log out, log in with another user. Here that is finished fetching the profile image and also search field. Please subscribe my channel Subbu Tutorials. Thank you for watching this part.